To women out there, if you only know the formula, you will know that your Igbo man is very soft too. These women that talk that Nigerian men are very abusive, they're very controlling. These are the women that likes confrontation, which is a very bad move when you're following a Nigerian man. As you step into his pride, you have lost him forever.
That we're meant to be. We're meant to be. That we're meant to be.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Mela, and if you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe in my channel. So for today's video, we will talk about some of the things that a Nigerian Igbo man wants in woman. So I'm saying some because also me, I'm still learning. No one can learn overnight, so just learn every day. If you're a feminist, this video is not for you. I'm sure you can stand what I'm saying, so it's time for you to leave. So we will talk about serious Igbo man or serious Nigerian Igbo men. I know a lot of them, not only them, but around the world there's good and bad. So, not all are looking for serious relationship. Some may not ready yet. So let's just talk about the serious ones. Also, don't forget that you can't force a man to stay with you if he doesn't want you. Man stays because he wants you. And also, don't be deceived by the words and actions, because of course in everything that we do, action speaks louder than words. So if your man is saying that he loves you and he's not treating you well, like saying I love you honey, this and that, but in his actions doesn't show any love, so I think that's a very big red flag. If you meet already a good Nigerian Igbo man, there are some things that you should do to keep them, because not all good men, they have also their choice of woman. So if they see you and they didn't see what he wants in you, so for sure he will look for someone. So let's start with the first one. So the first one, a Nigerian Igbo man wants in woman is to learn their culture, especially if you're a foreigner. They expect you will love their culture. It doesn't mean that you will learn everything, but at least you know something from them. An Igbo man takes traditions, culture, family seriously. So they're deeply connected into their roots. So if you're a woman, they expect you to learn their culture, especially when you go there. Even if an Igbo man travel abroad and he's very successful living abroad, he will still go back to his home. Also, like when you're after spending the money abroad or after spending the money in the city, they will still go back into their village and build their mansions. So that's how it shows that they're very connected into their roots. So if you're a woman that likes to live only a city and you have difficult time to adjust into the different life, I think you need to think twice about it. So learn their culture, love them, learn some of I'm not saying like you will learn it overnight, but learn some of their language. The second one is they're looking for a woman that is submissive. I know a lot of women will react to this because not all women can fully submit themselves to their man. Especially for the feminists. So if you believe that thing, then you should stop following a Nigerian Igbo man. Look for a white man, because if you really love your man, you will set aside your advocacy in the corner. Because an Igbo man is not designed and trained to be like that. They always trained to be the head of the family, the superior. That doesn't mean that they will disrespect you, but that's how they were raised. So if you cannot keep, or if you cannot stand in that kind of thing, then you should stop following an Igbo man. So the third one is a great homemaker. So even you as a woman, even if you're very successful in your career, an Igbo man expects you to do or to play the role of a wife or a mother if you have a kids. They like their woman to be serving them good food that they like, or you can also prepare different things for them, but make sure also that he will like it. So when you are with an Igbo man, serving him, arranging his things is in their culture, like as a wife. It doesn't mean that you're a slave, but I mean, he is showering you with so much love and care. So serving him and, arranging his things, it's not really a big deal. But of course, we cannot control people. There are still some women that will open their mouth to say that they're very controlling, abusive, etc., etc. So I don't know, I don't understand them. If they know it from the start that their man is like that, so why stay? Why just leave them, pack your things and run?
Yeah!
So you will not end up like being abused. I mean, you know what is abused already, so it's your choice to stay or being abused. The fourth one, Igbo men are obsessed with respect. Respect is their love language. If you're a woman that is very good in bed, serving him with gold plate, buying him expensive gifts, but if he feels disrespected many times in the relationship, he will never be happy. To women out there, if you only know the formula, you will know that your Igbo man is very soft too. These women that talk that Nigerian men are very abusive, they're very controlling, these are the women that likes confrontation, which is a very bad move when you're following a Nigerian man. As you step into his pride, you have lost him forever. But if you feed and boast his pride, you have won him forever. An Igbo man can give you so much love and care. Just be praising him, calling him, sweet things, like my baby. Good things now. Yeah, you say it to them. Do that, your Igbo man, his head will burst. It makes him feel that they are a real man. The fifth one and last, an Igbo man wants their wife to look smart or dress well. An Igbo man's wife is his pride. Or if he's treating you as even if you're still a boyfriend, girlfriends, but if he's considering you as his future wife, he makes sure that you look good. He believes so much that his success is measured on how his wife looks, because his wife is the reflection of himself. So like I've said, an Igbo man's wife is his pride. So if you're a woman, or if you're a woman out there that is with an Igbo man, and he's buying things for you, showering you with so much gifts, that's how it is. That's how a Nigerian Igbo man for you. So just remember, guys, an Igbo man, they're obsessed with respect. So just serve him with respect. Submission is there already, and good food. So if you want a serious Igbo man, you better pray fast to God, though. They're 1 in a million. So guys, you've come to the end. Thanks for sticking with me. It's me again, Mela, and see you on my next video. Bye!